Look at that black girl. Queen.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie and I'm back at it with another video. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Y'all, we're gonna get straight into the video. This video will be very affordable. I got everything from Walmart. The boots was $14.99. I think the paint was 50 cents. The first spray that I just showed y'all in the red can, I didn't use it. Well, I did use it, but it didn't do the job, like with the clear coat to make it a little more shiny. So I end up finding that second spray and I used that. So first things first, literally we're gonna just go in and cut out the where the line is, basically. I started with my scissors and then I forgot I had my little pen thing. I used that. It came in handy because the scissors was a little hard to get in there at first, but I used this. So y'all, I'm making these for my best friend. She seen the idea on TikTok. But y'all, I'm letting y'all know if this was a pass or a fail. Because you know everybody don't like to give the whole scoop on things. But y'all, this is how the boot is looking. A nice clean cut. And now we're going to go in with some paint. You want to wipe them down first. I am really feeling this green. Let me know if y'all feeling it. It looks so good on the boot. But this is totally up to y'all, but I like to be neat with mine, so I was trying to make sure I brushed in the same direction so it can just give it that cleaner look, if you know what I mean. But like I said, totally up to you. But while we do this, sis, I know y'all got y'all goals set for this year. I know I definitely do. So comment down below and let me know what's some goals that y'all want to accomplish this year. But this is me blow drying it. But sis, some goals I want to accomplish. I want to go viral on one of my social media platforms, preferably my YouTube. But I definitely want to go viral. So make sure y'all follow me on TikTok, Instagram, all that good stuff. And also, this is me applying the second coat. But another goal that I want to accomplish is working with some brand. Like, it doesn't really matter what brand. Like, if it's a hair brand, you know, clothing brand. Like, it doesn't matter. I want to work with a brand this year. So that's definitely a goal. And I want to sell a bunch of custom pieces. And I have more. Like, it's definitely more, but those are a couple I want to work on. My best friend was helping me blow dry the shoes, but this is what it's looking like. And I'm actually liking the matte look too, y'all. Like, it looks good. But this is the spray that I was telling y'all about in the beginning. Before I knew that it actually worked. I'm going to show y'all the results. But it looked good, you know, spraying it. I went outside, you know, did one coat, and then I let it dry. I think it said up to 4 hours before you apply the next coat. This is what it looked like after. This is before it actually dried, and I'm going to show y'all the next day. 1 second. But they looking good, right? Keep in mind they not dry yet. So this is the next day, and it have like little specks on them, and it's not clean, it's not shining. It's a little cracks right there. So because of the cracks right there, I decided to do another coat. Then I went ahead and sprayed this on, and this is the final and finishing look right here. It actually gave it that shine, and it's actually dry on this picture. So this is the shine that she was looking for. Okay, so I thought it was all good, but the shoes started cracking again. But my best friend really wanted these shoes, so we found a solution. So I decided to go ahead and give it about 2 more coats so I can cover up the cracks. And that's what I'm doing here. And y'all, like, this next step actually worked. I'm so excited because I made my best friend these dope pants, and she got this hoodie from Akeem Apparel, her brand. And y'all, this is how it's looking, like where I covered up the little cracks. It looks really good. So now we got that matte look again. So I'm going in with my Mod Podge glue. Y'all, this is my first time using it. And it actually helped. Like, for some reason, when I put the coat on, I put 2 coats on at first, and then I went ahead and put 2 more. So altogether I did 4 coats of this. And y'all, for some reason it made the shoe a little more flexible. Don't ask me how, but the shoe was more flexible, and once it dried, like, my best friend was actually able to put her feet in. Okay, so this is how it's looking after the glue and after it dried and everything. Loving it, but stay tuned for the next couple of seconds because sorry to bring it to you, but I was so freaking disappointed because after all of that, trying to like really find a solution, this is what happened. But we was able to get some good pictures. Like, yeah, it just was able to like literally just peel off, and you was able, I'm gonna show you in the next clip, literally able to peel it like this. But I hope this video helped. I hope it saved you some money. Don't try it. It's not worth it. I love you guys oh so much, and I'm out. Mwah. Peace. Don't try it. Don't waste your money. It was cute for the little photo. Definitely to take a picture. That's it. That's all. You walk in them, it's over with.
Just get the real Bottega.
Right, look.